This is one of my favorite paintings by Edward Munch, as you know, sold for $135 million in 2013. And this painting titled Woman by Willem de Kooning got sold for $137 million in 2016. And can you imagine this painting of an angry dog is by Edward Munch? Yes, artists of his caliber can also create such ugly art once in a while. And it never got sold. And most of us don't create any art because of fear of being exposed or creating so-called bad art. But you have to dare to face your fears. Just pick up your pen, pencil, crayons, whatever you like, and start drawing. Rather than letting the fear stifle your creativity, embrace it as an opportunity for growth. Creating art, even if it falls short of our expectations, is a testament to our willingness to explore and express ourselves. Every stroke contributes to our development as artists. Just take it as an experiment. We can unearth new techniques, discover unexpected beauty, and refine our skills. And if you think your art is bad, it still serves as a valuable teacher, imparting lessons that polished masterpieces cannot. It teaches us humility, reminding us of that greatness is achieved through perseverance and practice. Moreover, the act of creating, regardless of the outcome, holds therapeutic value. It provides an outlet for emotions, a means of processing thoughts, and a sanctuary from the chaos of everyday life. Through art, we find solace, healing, and self-discovery. In a world obsessed with perfection, embracing imperfection is a revolutionary act. It liberates us from the shackles of self-doubt and allows our creativity to flourish. Sharing less than perfect creation with others can be a humbling experience. It promotes vulnerability and authenticity, fostering genuine connections with the fellow creative community and, of course, family and friends. You might find this art scary, ugly, but I'm quite enjoying the process and I'm quite liking it. I like these acrylic paints, the way they are turning out to be. I rarely ever plan my painting. I don't worry about the outcome unless it's a commissioned portrait or something. I believe that the beauty of any art is in its imperfection. I wonder if children will get scared looking at this painting. So this piece was totally unplanned, spontaneous, spur of the moment, and from imagination. Maybe it's my shadow's self-portrait. I'm motivated to make another one, just a copy of this with more restraint and not such recklessness, if you may call it. I'm making a portrait of this portrait that I've just made and making a cleaner version of the same face, and let's see how that looks. So you could say this portrait is intentional and the first one I made from imagination was expressive. Even though I'm trying to recreate the same face resemblance intentionally and a cleaner version, I try not to use an eraser in my art. I just like the process. I don't consider any mistake a mistake unless it's a portrait of a real person. Looks like her younger sister. So this is a cleaner version of the same portrait. I like the ugly one better. So I hope you can laugh and create more art. Don't worry if your art isn't perfect. Enjoy the process and be proud of your creativity.